Good day, mates. You're looking at a man on a mission, and it's not a mission that it's not a mission that I'm really sure that I want to share with you, but nonetheless, I will, if only in good spirit. I am at Holland Lake. Holland is in the country, and I've been to Holland before, but this looks a little bit different than Holland in Europe. This is Holland Lake in Montana, and it's a beautiful lake, absolutely gorgeous. The water is clear as any lake I've ever seen before. And Holland Lake is about 30 minutes north of where I'm staying at the Seeley Lake Campground. And the other day I thought I would do a nice Sunday drive and come up here and fly my drone around. Okay, you see where this is going, right? So I did. I got up here, and boy, I was just in awe of how beautiful it was. And I launched the drone right from the beach, right near where I'm standing at the moment. And I got the drone up there, and yep, I crashed it. I crashed it into some trees, and it's some trees just on the other side of the lake here. Not even 5 minutes by paddle. And I actually went over there the other day. I borrowed somebody's paddleboard, and I went over there the other day, walking through the forest, looking for my drone. You know, like hoping some miracle of God, you know, that I would find the drone. And I got over there, and it was pretty thick brush. And I'm walking around, and I could just see the headline: "Man gets killed by grizzly looking for his drone." You know. And I borrowed somebody's paddleboard to get over there the other day, and I got over there and I kind of poked around a little bit, but I was a little bit anxious, you know, because of the grizzlies and everything. Anyway, long story short, I decided to come back here 2 nights later, and I'm going to paddle back over there. And I think maybe I didn't look at the right spot. So if I find that drone, oh my God, it'll just be by the grace of God and nothing more. But I'm going to kill 2 birds with 1 stone, and I'm going to do a video of Holland Lake. And look at how beautiful this place is. And you know, I might as well just about have this lake to myself. I don't see another soul out there at all. And the water, believe it or not, look at how clear that water is. The water is pretty darn warm. Maybe it's a shallow lake, but anyway, so I'm going to put the GoPro up on my head, and I'll probably do a time lapse and bring you along for the ride, or some of it. But anyway, I gotta get going before the sun gets down. All right, so I think where my drone came down, it's just right out over here. And we will see, as the saying goes. But I'm pretty sure that I crashed it into a tree straight up over here. And I'm not going to look around too much because the vegetation is pretty deep. And for all I know, my drone could actually be up in the top of one of those trees. So again, I'm not going to spend a lot of time looking, but maybe I'll luck out. Maybe I will luck out and find my drone over here. We will see, as the saying goes. But regardless, I'm still going to have myself a nice paddle. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh, it's just really, really nice. All right, so I'm coming up. The brush over here is pretty darn thick, to be quite honest with you. So I don't know if I'll be able to find it. We will see. Well, I found my way over here, and this is what it looks like, you see. So finding the drone, I would just have to be really lucky. But I think it hit one of these trees right in here, and for all I know, it could be up in the tree. But you know, I just thought maybe I'll come over and just take a look, and maybe I will maybe I'll luck out and see the drone sitting somewhere in the forest here. I was looking at a camera, I was looking at a picture, the last transmission of the drone, and I could have sworn it was pointing at one of these little berries on the ground. So I thought maybe it fell down and it's sitting on the ground somewhere. But I'll poke around a little bit. I'm not going to look too much. Okay, that's the tree right there in the center that I thought that the drone might have hit. And oh, it would just be a miracle if I could find that thing. You know, if there wasn't the thought of bears around here, you know, then I would probably look all day. I'd be out here at night with a flashlight, you know. But it's kind of spooky walking around out here thinking there might be, you know, a bear lurking around here. God forbid. All right, so I think my drone days are behind me, at least for a while. You know, what is that? 4 drones in a year and a half. And every time it was just due to my own stupidity. Nothing more, nothing less. If I had just been a little bit more careful, then oh, I'd probably still be on drone number 1. But anyway, at least I still have my paddle board. Knock on wood, or splash in water. You take your pick. But I'm gonna go for a paddle, and I'll bring you along. What a beautiful spot. Can you look at this? I have got this entire lake all to myself. Isn't that something? Just beautiful. So I will think I'll do a time lapse and just bring you along for the paddle. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at this. All right, so let's do I'm gonna do a time lapse, and I hope you enjoy the ride. Boy, will you look at me. I'm in the middle of Holland Lake, standing on a paddleboard. Unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. You know, I know years from now I'll be turning on my computer and I'll see a screenshot, you know, a screensaver, and I'll say, boy, that looks familiar. And I'll look to see where the image was taken, and I'll bet you it'll say Holland Lake, Montana. And here I am, paddleboarding and doing a video right from the center of the lake. All right, folks, I hope you enjoyed it, and go easy on me about the drone thing, okay? I do all those drone flights for all of you, okay? So go easy on me. And if you happen to come to Holland Lake and you find my drone, I'll give you a reward, okay? So just shoot me a message, and the rest of you, just have a great day. See you later.